Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to import modules in Python. So before understanding importing of modules, let us understand what is module in Python. Why do we use it? So module in Python is a normal Python file with extension .py. It contains docstrings, variables, constants, classes, objects, statements, and functions. And these modules are related to a particular task. For example, there is a math module in Python. So math module contains all the functions, all the constants, and objects related with the mathematical task. Now let us understand how to import module and how to use functions from a particular module. So for importing module, we need to write an import statement and the module name. If you're not getting any error, which means your module is ready to use, you can use the functions defined in this module. Now, there is a function help, which gives you help of the mentioned module. So here you can see squeeze text, which means after clicking on this, you can access this. So what is this? Name, math, description. This module provides access to mathematical functions, and these are the different functions with the explanation that we can use. Here you can see many names have been given with the arguments and the return type as well. So for any module, if you want to check how many functions are there, how many docstrings are there, and how many constants are there, as you can see, this is for exponential, pi, this is for pi value, nan, this is for showing null value, and so on. Now, if I want to use any value of this, so you remember that in the starting of the video, I write import math, which means I have imported this module. Now I want to print the value of pi constant. So how will I write math.pi? Math is the name of the module. Dot is the dot notation to use any function or the constant of that module. So here you can see it is printing the value of pi. If I am trying to use like this, only writing I'm pi. So will it give it any result? No, it will give you an error because this is the method when you are using import statement. So you will have to give module name, then dot notation and the function or constant, whatever you want to use. Now, if I do not want to prefix module name every time I use pi value, because here I'm using only pi value. So there will be a different statement for doing that. You can just use from keyword, then name of module, then import whatever you want to import. So here I want to import pi. Now I can use this pi as it is. I do not need to prefix that module name and dot notation. So with the help of this from keyword, I can use particular constant or the function without mentioning the module name, right? I can import multiple objects as well. For example, here I am importing two functions, sqrt and pow. Sqrt is used to, oh, I have given the wrong statement over here. The spelling is not correct. Let me just correct it. It is sqrt. Sqrt function is used to print the square root of a number, and pow is used to print the power of number or the exponential form of the number. right? Now I'm giving SQRT of 36. It is giving 6.0, and here I can use power also, 2 raised to power 4. With import and module name, we imported entire module, right? This can be done with the help of writing from statement as well. From math, import star. Now, what does it mean? It means then all the functions, variables, constants from math module now can be used without prefixing the name of the module. Earlier, we had to use the name because we just mentioned import math. So if you are giving that statement, then you need to prefix the module name and the dot notation you have to use. If you do not want to work in that manner, you can write this statement from math import star. This statement will help you to use any constant, any function from that module without prefixing the name of the module. That is the main difference of import statement and from keyword. Now we can give alias names to module also. Suppose I am importing this module statistics, and wherever I'll have to use this module or wherever I'll have to use the function of this module, I need to write statistics again and again because we have just understood it. For example, I'll just use one function of this. So here I'm using dot median, taking the sequence. It is printing 34. Now, instead of writing statistics again, I want to alias it. So I'm aliasing it as S. Now, instead of writing statistics, I can just write S. So this will also. So in this way, we can import modules in Python and we can use the related functions and constants. I hope now these statements are clear. If you have any doubt, you can mention in comment section. Thank you, students.